Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the English language one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is dish. A dish, in its most basic sense, is a plate or bowl used for serving food. But more commonly, it refers to a plate of food that is prepared and served as a meal. So, when we talk about a dish, we're usually talking about something delicious that we can eat. For example, my favorite dish is spaghetti with tomato sauce. Or, the restaurant serves a variety of vegetarian dishes. Now, let's talk about some words that are similar to dish. These are called synonyms. One synonym for dish is plate. We can say, he filled his plate with pasta. Another synonym is meal. For example, we enjoyed a delicious meal at the restaurant. A further synonym is course, especially when referring to a part of a multi-course meal. For example, the main course was roast chicken. Also, the word serving can sometimes be used similarly to dish, especially when referring to a portion of food. I only had a small serving of dessert. Another possible synonym is recipe, though this refers to the instructions for making the dish, not the dish itself. She shared her secret recipe for chocolate cake. Now, let's think about antonyms. These are words with opposite meanings. It's a little trickier to find a direct antonym for dish because it refers to food. However, we can think about things that are not food. For example, an antonym could be drink. While a dish is something you eat, a drink is something you drink. For instance, I had a dish of pasta and a drink of lemonade. Another contrasting concept is snack. While a dish often suggests a more substantial meal, a snack is usually a smaller, lighter bite. I had a proper dish for lunch, but just a snack in the afternoon. Alternatively, we can consider the ingredients before they become a dish. So, words like ingredients or groceries could be considered conceptual antonyms. The dish was made from fresh ingredients. Or, we bought groceries to prepare a dish for dinner. Another opposite is emptiness, referring to the absence of a dish or food. The table went from a dish full of food to complete emptiness after dinner. Now, let's see how we use dish in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "What's your favorite dish to cook?" Or, "I'm going to try a new dish tonight." You could also say, "This dish is delicious. Can I have the recipe?" Think about going to a restaurant. The waiter might ask, "Are you ready to order your dish?" Or, after eating, "Did you enjoy your dish?" In common expressions, you might hear someone say, "That's not my cup of tea," meaning they don't like something, and while it doesn't contain the word dish, it implies a preference for one culinary item over another. Or, consider the phrase, "he dished out the gossip," which uses dish metaphorically to mean to share or reveal information. Here are some more example sentences and phrases using dish. She washed the dishes after dinner. The chef prepared a special dish for the anniversary. This dish is too spicy for me. I'm trying to learn how to cook new dishes. Let's order some dishes to share. The restaurant is famous for its traditional dishes. He's a good cook. He can make any dish taste amazing. She brought a dish to the potluck. I need to buy a new baking dish. That restaurant always has interesting daily dishes. Let's try a new dish for Thanksgiving this year. The cookbook is full of healthy dishes. I accidentally broke a dish while doing the cleaning. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Although there isn't the word dish here, it is using a culinary metaphor. So, to recap, dish is a common word with two main meanings. It can refer to a plate or bowl, or, more commonly, to a prepared plate of food. We explored synonyms like plate, meal, course, and serving, and conceptual antonyms like drink, snack, ingredients, groceries, and emptiness. We also looked at how dish is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps other learners find our show. Now, for your homework, create your own sentence using the word dish and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with.